Welcome into the Bennie Barre Pilates studio. In addition to my workouts and classes that I post here on YouTube, I also like to share with you workout vlogs where I invite you into the studio to just follow along with me as I'm doing my own Pilates practice. I hope that this inspires you to move and gives you a realistic idea of what it is that I do here in my own personal workouts. I have found that my year has been so busy with in-demand classes on the springboard and on the reformer where I teach and work most frequently, and I haven't put out a whole lot of classes or workouts on the chair, so I am getting back onto the chair today and sharing this movement here. As always, my workout vlogs have the tempo sped up. Thanks so much for joining me in the Bennie Barre Pilates studio. If you'd like to see more chair here on YouTube, let me know. And you can join me on my online studio on Patreon, where there's a whole chair tier of workouts, exercises, etc. Keep moving, my friends, and I'll see you next time in the studio.